in Laravel website how I track the any hit of the website. Suppose this is the website, the each time the check, this is the running website, the 2:30 time is same time, this is the 4 hit and a different IP. These are maybe bot, this is Apple WebKit, this is the OHM, any type of bot, and they are using the different type of IP, like first IP, this is the another IP, this is another IP, this is another IP, this is another IP, this is another IP. So all hit we are storing in this, as there's a bot and there is not an IP is not showing here. So another reason we are showing the all IP comes from that. This is user agent only stored. Check how I'm storing each data of the website, how it's happened, and when it's suppose this is data is how I store in this DB and showing here I am displayed. Check our code in our middleware. I am using a middleware. In this middleware. Check this user visit, and the model name is user visit. Here this is our middleware name, log visit URL, and I stopped this user visit in the last Facebook, Google bot, or any Pinterest, being Apple bot. Automatically ignore this bot, automatically they will open our website, and just check this bot when comes automatically open our website. So when this bot not coming and real others bot or others user when comes, and also I have stopped my server IP, like this is my hosting IP and my admin IP is where is my admin IP. I have stopped my admin IP. So admin IP and server no need to store. So admin IP, suppose I am admin, so my data is not storing, and server, when server visit in this website, they're also not storing this data, and this bot, this user agent, server, and my IP, this data will be not stored in my access. So when this data are not, the real others user, other traffic, other bot comes, so we are stored user ID. If user ID is, otherwise it is null, and old URL, that means other one page to another page visit, so others the old URL will be stored here, new URL the full URL, and user agent is user agent, and request IP address, and we are visited at now present time, the when it visited. So we store it here, and when there comes any user visit the website, so this is visited time, and guest, this is not a user. When user comes, there is show user and user ID are showing here, and this is the full URL, new URL, and this is the old URL is direct, this is also old URL is direct, and this is the user agent we have stored it. So when you reload the page, this is time is visited 2191. So when you reload this page and show 2211, and this is the visitor time is here. So each time everything is tracked. The normal low type of website we have, you can use this system to track your user, how this user comes and how they leave your website. You can track and you can develop the website, why your user not attention to buy your product. In this system you can track your user easily, which user comes, which page, and how to track this, why you fail to buy attention to develop the user attention. You can use this system. Thank you.